An unexpectedly strong jobs report this morning has economists rethinking the idea of a recession. The U.S. economy added more than 500,000 jobs in July, more than twice what was expected. WRAL Capitol Bureau Chief Laura Leslie is live in Garner with what that means for you. Laura, good afternoon.
Good afternoon, Renee. Today's jobs report pretty much confirms what we already know around here, which is that employers like this one still can't find enough workers to fill the jobs that are available. And that means that the economy is growing, not contracting. UNC Keenan Flagler economist Gerald Cohen called this morning's report a humdinger. He said the job reports for the past 2 months were also revised upward today. For the first time, the job market has returned to the level it was at before the pandemic hit back in 2020. He says jobs grew across all sectors, even in the tech sector, which has seen some layoffs lately. The GDP has had negative growth over the past 2 quarters, which is one potential indicator of a recession. But Cohen says these job numbers show it's probably already back in positive growth territory.
If you want to say there was a technical recession of 2 negative quarters, which I've written that this, I don't believe, you could say theoretically technical, but I don't think it will be called a recession. And I don't believe it's a recession. This suggests that the economy is growing again in Q3.
Now, the downside to today's report is that the Federal Reserve will probably have to raise rates again to slow down the economy to reduce inflation. And the stock market is already responding. The stocks took a tumble this morning at the opening bell before they've mostly recovered their losses at this point. Of course, it also means inflation is going to continue. Not having enough workers means that employers have to pay more. And that means the increase in cost is going to show up in the products you buy. Cohen says wages are continuing to grow, but they're not keeping up with inflation. Renee?
Laura Leslie live in Garner. Laura, thanks.